balance dictates.
Listen up, it's not a moment to spare. It's quite a drop from the top, so how you feeling down there? It's a cold, cruel, harsh reality. Caught, stuck here with your enemies. Who do you think you are? Tearing us all apart. Where did you think you could go? 'Cause everyone already knows it's 20 to 1. Yeah, so you better run. You got the world on its knees. You're taking all that you please. You want more, but you get nothing from me. You like the burden we bear. You love the hate that we share. You want more, but you get nothing from me. But enemies, enemies. You started something that you just couldn't stop. You turned the ones that you love into the angriest mob. And the one last wish is that you pay for it. And there's no way you're getting out of this. Who do you think you are?
Demonstration of superior judgment. With that natural sound, it make you feel so free. You know, turn it down. 5619 from the South Town, and Jah know what I wanna do, because Jah know I am I stay true. You know, Jah know the real who is who. Ain't no time to fake it, make it feel brand new. It goes 1, 2, 3. The crew is called POD. And if you wanna go to the tip top, break it down with that one drop. Why oh, execute these sounds. Positive, come around, impact the sounds. Positive all around, execute the sounds. Positive, come around, impact the sounds. Positive all around. Now one mess me, try to take his crown. Babylon test with me, go smash him down. Original OG, this is my playground. Don't take me seriously, you gon' feel it now. I'm on, know the harder they come, because I'm on. I'm gonna get the job done, you know I'm on. No, they don't want none, may never have to cheat, 'cause we already won. 1904, home to the real hardcore. And you don't wanna sleep, don't talk, I'll break you down with that one drop. Why oh, execute the sounds. Positive, come around, impact the sounds. Positive all around, execute the sounds. Positive, come around, impact the sounds. Positive all around.
Time for a true display of skill.
Walk into the club like, what up? I got a big cock. I'm just pumped. I bought some shit from a thrift shop. Ice on the fringe is so damn frosty. The people like,
damn, that's a cold ass honky.
Rolling in hella deep.